What is the distribution function? Distribution function of number A. What is that one? Capital F of x is equal to probability of capital X less than or equal to small x. That is called as the probability distribution function or cumulative distribution function. Okay. So what is the important condition for probability? All the probability values should be equal to 1. No changes in that one. Okay. So over all this comes. So already completed one program. We'll go for one more program. So take down. Let x be the random variable. Let x be the random variable such that probability of capital X is equal to -2. That is equal to probability of capital X is equal to -1. That is equal to probability of x equal to 1. That is equal to probability of x equal to 2. One condition. And probability of x less than 0 equal to probability of x equal to 0 equal to probability of capital X greater than 0. Determine the probability mass function. Determine the probability mass function and the distribution of x. And the distribution of x. So can you understand this question here? You take the question paper. So tell me whether it is of discrete data or continuous data. No? Discrete. Why discrete? You are given specific variables. What are the possible expressions given for you? Totally 5 values are given. Says it is mentioned only at this point it is a discrete one. Whether you are given the probability value directly, whether probability value is given, not given. We are given only a relation connecting all the probability values. When you see the first problem, the probability value was given. Yes or no? 0, k, 2k like that. The corresponding probability value was given. Here the probability value was not given. Just we are given a relation connecting all the 5 probabilities. Okay. What you have to find now? Determine the probability mass function. So for each of the x value, identify what is the corresponding probability value. That is our PM. Then using that one, identify what is the distribution function. Okay. What is the first one you are going to find? The probability value for each of these 5 values. How can you identify that one? You should get it as a value. No? How can you find that? See what is the condition and what is the assumption we can make. What is the first condition? Probability of x equal to -2, -1, 1, 2. All the 4 are same. Whether all the 4 will be having a numerical value will be the same? Yes or no? All are same with the corresponding numerical value is also same. So just for convenience, we'll assume that to be equal to k. Okay, then using our total probability value, we'll try to find what is our k. Okay, just looking into that one, you can't say what is the probability value, no? But you are given a relation that everything is equal. So randomly we'll assume that to be some unknown constant k. Based on that, we'll try to find what will be that k value. Okay, so start the solution. Let write the first condition. Probability of x equal to -2 equal to probability of x equal to -1 equal to probability of x equal to 1 equal to probability of x equal to 2 equal to k. We are going to assume that to be some constant k because all are numerical values, probabilities. Assuming as some unknown constant k. Now try to connect the second condition. So what is the second condition? We are given probability of x less than 0. So less than 0 is what we
K.
Why K? What is the second condition taken? X less than 0 is equal to x equal to 0, which is equal to x greater than 3. All the three are given to be equal. What is the answer for x less than 0? 2. X greater than 0? 2. So what we ask for x equal to 0? 2. Because according to our second condition, that is also 0. So therefore, probability of x equal to 0 is equal to 2. We are trying to find what will be the probability value for each of the 5 different values. For the first case, we know for all the 4 values. We don't know what is the answer for x equal to 0. So using the second condition, we are finding it for x equal to 0. Now we have to find a. How do we find it? What is the condition? Summation of P is equal to 1. Total probability value is equal to 1. So right, we know that summation over Pi is equal to 1. Total of all probability values is equal to 1. Here 5 values are there. So that is probability of x equal to -2 plus probability of x equal to -1 plus probability of x equal to 0 plus probability of x equal to 1 plus probability of x equal to 2 should be equal to 1. 5 possible values. So we add all the 5 should be equal to 1. Now substitute everything in terms of k values. What is x equal to -2 value? K. That is our assumption. So k plus x equal to -1 is k. X equal to 0? K. X equal to 0? 2k. 2k. That is the assumption we made. 2k. X equal to 1? K. X equal to 2? K. Everything is equal to 1. Just substitute the corresponding probability value in terms of k. Total how many k's are there? 6k. So you get 6k equal to 1. So what is the k value? 1 by 6. K value equal to 1 by 6. Understood now? Now you got the k value. Now you write the corresponding PMF. How to form the PMF is that you can write in 2 rules. First rule is for the corresponding x values and second rule is for the corresponding probability value. As it is given in the first question. Okay, so write the PMF. The PMF is given by first row capital X values, second row probability of capital X equal to small si, which can also be denoted as PD. PD1 notation is also important. Write the positive X values -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Now we have replaced the corresponding probability value. What is x equal to -2? K. What is the k value of 1 by 6? X equal to -1?
1 by 6.
1 by 6. X equal to 1? 1 by 6. X equal to 2? 1 by 6. All these 4 values are equal to k. X equal to 0 is
6 by 6.
6 by 6, it should be 1. There is no change in this last value. Whatever may be the problem, this last value should be 1 only. When you add, if you don't take 1, what happens?
Answer will be
What you have done is wrong. But that is what you did for the probability value here, wrong. Okay, or maybe you have made mistake in addition also. That is also possible. You can cause it problem. Clear? Clear, sir? Okay. So we stop after discrete theorem because everywhere next topic also we are going to discuss about the problems based on discrete and continuous. So next we are going to start with our continuous standard variable. So similar concept, what is the difference is that discrete means is different only at that point. So we have made use of the summation. But continuous means
correct of
we define at each and every point. There is infinite number of points between any two points. In all the points that we define, so there you are going to take the help of your integration. Okay, in first semester you studied integration or not? What? It was there in the syllabus or not? And now my question is right. I should not ask whether you studied, right? So if you are not studying, means take all here. Because you will be needing your integration here to solve the problems. Where it is unit 1 or unit 2 or unit 3, all the 3 units will be involving integration. Okay, integration is not complicated number. Simple integration is enough. Not very complicated integrations will not be there. Okay, simple that integral unit formula, you know, it is called those right. Even the functions will be like algebraic functions or trigonometric functions will be. No complicated functions will be there. Okay, so it will be easy only try to recall all those basic formulas only. That is enough for you to solve the statistics problem. Okay, so here in discrete case we call it as PMF, no? Probability mass function. In the continuous case we are going to call it as PDF. Probability density function. Okay, because it's going to define at each and every point. Here the rotation will be given by f of x. In PMF, what is the rotation? P of x. For PDF, what is the rotation? F of x. For finding the cumulative distribution, the same definition will be. Okay, but only the difference is that we have to integrate here till the point x. Here what we done? We have to add to the addition summation up to the point x. So for continuous case, we have to do the integration till the point x. So that we define it as integral minus infinity to x f of x dx. This is the definition for any of the system. This is the definition for your distribution function. And what is the other condition? We said that the total probability value is equal to 1. Since it is discrete, we took it as summation. Continuous means you have to be with integration. Integral of f of x dx is equal to whatever interval is given here, that we mention here. So whatever interval is given, integrate over the entire one will be equal to. So wherever we use the summation, everything will be replaced by integration. Okay, so take note. Continuous random variable. Continuous random variable. Definition. A random variable x. A random variable x which takes values, which takes all possible values in a given interval is called as a continuous random variable. Is called as a continuous random variable. Next one. The probability density function. The probability density function. Probability density function. Probability density function within bracket write PDF. Small p, small d, small f. PDF of a continuous random variable is defined as f of x. Next one, the cumulative, next definition, the cumulative distribution function, the cumulative distribution function of a continuous random variable x is defined as capital F of x is equal to probability of capital X less than or equal to small x, probability of capital X less than or equal to small x, which is equal to integral minus infinity to x f of x dx. Integral minus infinity to x f of x dx. Again, important note, integral of f of x dx is equal to 1. That is the meaning of total probability value equal to 1. Integral of f of x dx will be equal to 1. Similar concept only, what we are going to do, we are going to do it with the help of integration. Okay. So take our first problem. A continuous random variable x, a continuous random variable x has a density function given by f of x is equal to k into 1 plus x, f of x equal to k into 1 plus x, comma 2 less than x less than 5. 2 less than x less than 5. 5 probability of x less than 4. 5 probability of x less than 4. Okay. Can you read the question? What is given and what is supposed to find? Discrete case or continuous case? Continuous. Why do you say it is continuous?
2 less than x less than 5.
Yes. So x is defined in an interval form. 2 less than x less than 5. So it is a continuous case. Okay. Don't look into the symbol and decide whether it is discrete or continuous now. Just to confuse you in the exam, what you will do? For discrete, they will be the symbol as f of x. For continuous, they will be the symbol as p of x. So don't fix the symbol. Okay, it can be changed. Both are going to depend on the probability function. So see the x values and
minus
minus 2. What is 5 minus 4? 1. So you can rewrite this one as
1 plus 1.
a into 1 plus 25 by 2. We are having calculator now. Find the different numbers from the distribution calculator with this. So if you take LCM, what will happen? Cross multiply. 2 into 1 will give you 2. What is 25 plus 2? 27. So you get a into 27 by 2 is equal to 1. So what will be a value? 2 by 27. It is in multiplication here. So when it comes to the other side, it becomes the reciprocal. Okay, so what will be the value?
2 by
2 by 27. K value is 2 by 27. So if you don't know how to simplify fraction means, what is the easiest way? Use your calculator, convert as decimals and follow the answers in decimals. It will be difficult when you go for more number of terms with decimal answers. So only one simplification. If you know this, do it now. Otherwise, don't make any unnecessary mistakes in simplifying. Always take your calculator, convert in decimal and do the problems. Okay, 25 by 2 fraction decimal then decimal
Like that they ask question.
They may ask. To confuse it, they will ask. Okay, so you should be careful. Where the interval is defined, what are the possible values, what is the endpoint which is asked for. Everything should be considered on. Just blindly you should not do it. So x is also what you will do.
Do not do.
2 to 5. You can integrate money from 2 to 5 because f of x is defined only in that one. X less than 7 is 2 to 5. Okay, see the lower limit and upper limit. The value should lie only to that one. And the interval that you integrate one of you, all the other values are different. It is like 0. Those functions are 0. Can you understand? We must take up a problem. So right, probability of x less than 4 equal to integral 2 to 4 f of x dx. F of x dx. So right, integral 2 to 4 2 by 27 into 1 plus x into dx. The same integration of the k which come here we are going to do it with 2 by 27. So take 2 by 27 outside. What is integral of 1? X. What is integral of x?
X square by
X square. Within the limit 2 to 4. Such a limit values upper minus square. So 2 by 27. Upper limit x is equal to 4. So 4 plus. What is 4 square?
16.
16. What is 16 by 2?
8.
So 4 plus 8 minus 1. Lower limit substitute x is equal to 2. So 2 plus. What is 2 square?
4. 4 by 2.
4 by 2 will give you
2.
so 2 by 27 into. What is 4 plus 8? 12. Minus. What is 2 plus 2?
4.
4. What is 12 minus 4?
8.
8. So into 8. So your answer will be 16 by 27. If you can simplify, you simplify. Otherwise, the answer is nothing more. So what is the probability value for x less than 4? 16 by 27. Any doubt now? Can you understand the logic now? That is a very important thing in statistics subjects now. Not over in the formula. Okay, here that is secondary one, but understand the logic. How to solve and think a lot regarding to solve the statistics problem. Okay, get out. Should we go on to the next one? So take the next one. A continuous random variable x. A continuous random variable x has the PDF. F of x is equal to has the PDF. F of x is equal to 2x for interval 0 less than x less than 1 equal to 0 otherwise. F of x equal to 2x for interval 0 less than x less than 1, it is 0 otherwise. Otherwise means what is the meaning of? Where it is defined 0 to 1. Other than this one, all the other ranges will be 0. For greater than 1 it will be 0, for less than 0 it will be 0. It will define only at this point. Okay, maybe given the words as otherwise or its EW is its okay, so fine. Question fine. Probability of x less than 1 by 2. Probability of 1 by 4 less than x less than 1 by 2. Probability of x greater than 3 by 4 given x greater than 1 by 2. And find three different probability values. Discrete or continuous?
Continuous.
Continuous. How do you say it as continuous?
Then is between 0 to 1.
F of x is defined between 0 to 1. In interval form, so it will say it will be a continuous form. Whether there is any unknown value in f of x? No. What is f of x? 2x. There is not any unknown values of that. So directly we will start with a probability. So what is the first one you have to find? X. less than 1 by 2. So what is the interval you take now? Here where it is defined 0 to 1. Okay, you have to find for x less than 1 by 2. So what is the upper limit and what is the lower limit?
0 to 1 by 2.
0 to 1 by 2. Is it clear for everyone? Putting it you write your number line and identify it. Here it is defined as 0 to 1. That is why f of x is defined. What is the point given?
1 by 2.
Whether 1 by 2 will be fixed or 1?
Yes, no.
Yes or no? So what you will find here less than 1 by 2. So you will get it as 0 to 1 by 2. Okay, so integrate 0 to 1 by 2. F of x is 2x into this. Simple integrations. You know 2 is a constant, if you take it outside, since there is a multiplication. What is integral of x?
X square by 2.
Within the limit 0 to 1 by 2. So to guess the substitute the value, upper limit and substitute x equal to 1 by 2. So what is 1 by 2 the whole square? 1 by 2. Lower limit and substitute 0. So what happened? 0. Same. So what will be the answer? 1 by 2. That's one line integration. Now see for the second one. 1 by 4 less than x less than 1 by 2. Okay, so 1 by 4 will lie at which point? You know 1 by 2 is in the middle. 1 by 4 will be before 1 by 2 or after?
After 1.
After. Before. Like 1 by 4 should be right, huh? Don't need to go the choices. What is 1 by 4?
Before 1 by 2.
What is 1 by 2?
0.5.
It will be lying
Before.
so 1 by 2 will be somewhere, 1 by 4 will be somewhere here. So what is the interval given?
1 by 2.
We take from 1 by 4 to 1 by 2. Okay, without kindness சொல்லணும்னா this is a lower limit, this is a upper limit. அவ்வளவுதான். No way to think about it. So this is equal to integral 1 by 4 to 1 by 2, 2x into this. Okay, integrate. Simple integration. 2 is common outside. What is integral of x? X squared by 2. Within the limit 1 by 4 to 1 by 2. Again 2 cancels. Substitute the value upper limit x equal to 1 by 2 will give you 1 by 4. Minus lower limit x equal to 1 by
1
4.
by 2 square.
1 by 16. 4 square will give you 16. Find what is the answer? Play by 16. If you don't know to take it, see the what you have to do. Put in a calculator, write the answer as this. That's all. Okay. Read it now. Yes? Should we start with the third one? Should we go? So what is the condition given? What is the third one we have to find? Probability of x greater than 3 by 4 given x greater than 1 by 2. This refers what probability of? This is what probability. This defines what type of probability? Conditional probability. You remember the definition of now? What is the numerator?
P of u.
Intersection of denominator. Second row. For general one, I am not asking very numerical definitions. What should be the numerator? Intersection of both the elements. Denominator will be the second element. Okay, so how to write the definition? Probability of x greater than 3 by 4 intersection x greater than 1 by 2 divided by probability of x greater than 1 by 2. Okay, similar problem we discussed in our discrete case. We all know the same logic only we have to apply here also. Okay, so where the interval is defined 0 to 1. What are the points given here? integral of 3 by 4 to 1 f of x is 2x into dx. So that is our numerator. Denominator what is given? Greater than 1 by 2. Greater than 1 by 2 means what is the limit?
1 by 2 to 1.
1 by 2 to 1. So integral of 1 by 2 to 1 2x into dx. Integrate and let me answer. Again the same algebraic integration. Integrate. Integrate and practice not. Don't blindly copy the answers. That is not going to help you in exams. The exams we have to do the integration. Do the integration. As I told you already, if you don't know that, taking decimal concepts what you have to do. You can calculate like decimal decimal. Don't think and waste time with that also. As I told you, all these are basics for the other problems what we are going to discuss now. So unit 1 is very important for you. Any doubts? Complete everyone? Same answers?